Greetings, everybody, and welcome to another episode of the Upnlive Show. We are your Upnlive Show team. We are here in various platforms every Tuesday between 9 and 11. Usually we're in the studios of TGM Radio UK, but with the ongoing situation, we have to be keeping ourselves safe and staying home. I'm your girl, Delica Brown Yash, Dragon All Star, Fire Q, DJ Rick, Upnlive. We are here. Rick. How are you guys doing?
Yeah, man. Look good enough.
Everybody's
inside and not hide.
Yeah, you see it.
Nah, hide.
Last week was a bit cold and the weekend was a bit cold, but kind of alright, you know.
Yeah, but guess what? We'll leave up people
the weather check. The weather check, you see me?
Yeah, man,
I
the
think
weather
you know,
proper
I
check.
have one plane ticket I got Jamaica today.
Yeah, child.
Is it?
Dirty COVID. I think
Well,
I'm a flight.
No, it's not. You still have a plane ticket about Jamaica not
Still have it,
accepting
dog.
you. You know, you come from Jamaica, but them no want you down there.
Yeah,
I don't
just
know
can't
if
hold it.
But tell them to make sure so they don't want a Western Union too.
Jaja.
Yeah, me see them video there. Yeah.
Yo, that is me I wonder. All them like the airport and Western Union open.
Cause they're not a Western Union, my G.
So you
Oh,
money
them
will
not.
come far
Them
enough
on
COVID too. Then of
citizen
you
Yeah.
money have COVID party.
Yeah, man, but wire
One
transfer of
person.
COVID, man.
Exactly.
The COVID money.
COVID money kind of different. You understand?
You right?
Kinda.
Jaja.
Come on and go to Jamaica, you would think they would have locked you out. You wouldn't think they would have locked you out, innit?
No, exactly. Like, because not only him, I know
You're right.
several persons who should have gone down on Sunday. And they're
Right
not
now, it's good and it's
Thing
bad
is,
because look you know, you have people where in the ranks, you know, like especially in the UK and other foreign countries, you know, people that get deported. You can't bother go down, so you have extra time for them try your case and looking at
Yeah.
it. So you know,
Yeah.
it's good and it's bad, you know,
It's good and
you know,
bad.
bad for everybody. So you know, you have to look on the positive.
Yeah,
I know made it to go South Africa second and next month. That don't look like it will work again.
You know, because over there, a new strain filed from, so you don't know.
So
that's
me,
something.
yeah.
Yeah.
So what really are going on now? Because our road stay, because I see things on the road, you know.
Boy,
What about
the
the
road
road?
open up, you know, the road open up and
road
things are
open
going-
up where?
The road not really open up, but there's one and few little pop-up party happening here,
Oh,
there, and
headphone
everywhere.
party.
Yeah,
every week.
and a couple
Nah,
people
man,
are getting
I'll party
10
with
grand
regular
fine.
son.
Me not going on.
I'm staying
Um,
home. No, thank you.
At the moment,
I'm trying to
until-
save the NHS.
until the corona thing, we call it.
Yeah, man.
Receipt.
Till the vaccine and get, man.
Till
Get a
the
break.
receipt, me nah go pan road because I NID me have to look out for my safety. See
Exactly.
me?
Listen,
God,
from your
in a
age,
land
you
them
can
say
tell
a 1 in a 20, you know.
you not go.
I 1 in a 20 them say no dog, so you don't know.
Wasn't it
Yeah,
1 in 3? Didn't it go down to 1 in 3?
1 in
No,
20 me
no.
say last week. Me don't
One
know
in
if it
Yeah,
changed that
The
weekend.
last time I saw it was 1 in 20.
Okay.
One
Yeah,
in 20.
still.
So that means
Because-
that every supermarket you're going at somebody have corona.
Jaja. And then you guys have to remember that you have young children, so you have to be careful.
Yo, me
It's
there work
like-
every day, you know.
Well,
Jaja.
then again, we just have to do
So
everything that
every day you gotta work for you, somebody have corona.
want people.
No.
Right?
But that's
Why, Dragon?
You know, a 1 in
Why?
20 them say is 1 in 20
Yeah,
somebody
but
have corona.
them people that
Listen,
are
no.
20.
I we gone up to 3 in 20 now.
We have to do a little temperature
what is
test
right.
and we little thing
Yes.
them a morning time before we go up on the work.
But do you get tested every day?
Yeah, man.
So your nose supposed to feel violated nostrils.
No,
Well,
not tested for COVID.
Oh, you mean
as
the
in
temperature?
Temperature, yeah.
Oh,
yeah.
okay.
Yeah, that's
Oh.
a waste of time.
That's a waste of time, man.
Me
Corona
fi
upgrade
tell
from
you.
that long time. Yo,
Yeah, because you could be asymptomatic and
No, look,
corona
listen.
is a different badness corona go on with. Corona nobody give no
You know,
fever,
say-
them, it just kick you down.
yeah,
You know,
back.
say me sick and me have fever. I have to do me just wet up my forehead with ice water. I feel like me have to go work.
Another, the place is cold over there. So you tell them, yo, no wasting your time because this young man man care about it all long out this
Yes, I warm up.
Yeah.
Yo,
well cool.
and we were last week cool. Right, you know,
Mm,
anywhere them put it by you. Sure, it a sure.
Anyway, you put your arm in your arm.
Cool.
Ice and make that.
Yeah, man.
Let's go,
Like-
man, idiot.
Jaja.
But
Yo,
anyway,
-2, -3 business. Where to go?
Yeah, but what I'm saying is we should be grateful because there are other persons who are experiencing -10 and -11. So give thanks to the little -2 and the little -3. Equal,
That's
yes,
true.
but where
True,
people have it
true.
worse than we. Yeah. Shout
People
out to
have a bag of snow too.
Yes, definitely. Shout out to everybody that is tuned in on our Facebook page. From Jamaica to the US to Holland to the UK. Shout out. Give thanks to everybody that is supporting us tonight. We big up everybody. For those who have been watching us for the past whole heap of years, you don't know that every Tuesday we bring a special guest, and this week will be no different. I don't know if you guys have anything else to talk about. Do you want us to?
One thing.
Yeah,
Okay, go ahead. Go ahead.
I want to give Big Zeeks forward. Big up Big Zeeks. Because I see him have go up on a little youth and check a youth live from over West London. A youth upon live is a DJ youth. And a style of Big Zeeks. You know Big Zeeks are elder from Northwest.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Well, and him just find it live and go over there. And him just address it right there. Big man way upon the live. I'm sizing them the realest way.
All right.
Respect him for that.
More details for the persons who are not aware of what happened.
So basically, we can say shot a fire. So a man upon live and coach of Big Zeeks. And the man just join the live. Just join the live and address the matter there and then.
And just kill it.
No, he didn't. So basically, the guy was in his house and his live. Popular youth DJ. You don't really want to call him because I don't answer my kind about the name.
Right.
Call him name on up on live show.
No.
We can't call Big Zeeks because I know Big Zeeks.
If we had an interview with that person or some related, then we could have.
The youth there are going on the vibes and keep himself, but him at this big deed need and style him. So Big Zeeks go over there and make it know say, yo, big man, you're young youth for me. When you just start me buy a laptop, me know your family and everything. You're not supposed to do that if you have manners and respect. But the way you him check him as a big one, supposed to check enough for them look youth. And enough for them youth that need to get checked too.
Right.
Yes, man.
And I just respect how and do it and angry. They're on live, man. You don't see it, man.
Okay, so give thanks to Big Zeke for the way he handled that situation.
Yes, definitely.
Ricardo asked that joke thing. What kind of joke thing are you referring to, Ricardo? What? The mere fact that he went and he addressed it. Let us know.
I feel like not joking. That's something that's still but
let's know your point of view on the matter.
Anyway, big up UK goal guard, face guys, they look like a UK goal guard,
Our face are going very festive.
DJ face, No people, if you don't know, on a Sunday over Steam Room, just check in on Brick Jam face.
Yes.
Instagram, Steam Room, well, they're very steamy. I can't spill it, you have to go over there go soon yourself. But live that, Start
I don't understand this. I not understand this trend, but anyway, everybody for them own face.
It's not my thing.
Hold on. Me say it a few weeks ago.
It's dragon thing.
Me say it a few weeks ago. You have to remember. So some girl save up 2 and 3 years for dope them body. As them dope them body, lockdown. You can't mag go nowhere. You have to come on live and show it off. Remember, as a lady, you buy breast and body. And you have to show it off a little bit, If no one keep what you do. You have it on the pillar and sheet every day. You have to show it off a little bit.
Are you gonna make one old fans page and go over there?
But I know everybody have money for go pay for OnlyFans.
Look
for me now. Me not go subscribe to OnlyFans then. You know the next thing. Your woman just go see one little bill come in, or see a security card statement or something. Say subscription will come out to OnlyFans and them. So you can't do that something there.
You have to wait until Rick do the screenshot.
Alright.
Ask him about in channel.
Let us go to big deal.
We are talking about what the people want me OnlyFans. The ladies want me OnlyFans.
Talk up.
OnlyFans, ladies only, no man subscribing, only females,
Yeah,
no man over there,
Right.
Where that can go,
Right.
So further on in social media news, a few weeks ago, the little, we call it, the clickbait or the little PR stuff, we acting pull. Did that work out for him? But I think that's a bad PR stunt you can pull on yourself. Say basically pull a stunt, say man yam crutches. See a video to the man yam some crutches. And I'm sure
He never
No,
said it.
him never said, but him
Word.
employed. No, he employed, say, him a do the
Right.
thing them, and the girl a do the thing. You know, me last time look on YouTube, and that me assure you, Jamaica no short of talent. Him want to acting head me sit in a leg, between leg. So me I say, blood
Yeah.
clot, did you really a do it? And just me I
What
watch
you-
a few of them, man, me I follow his story, and me I say, no sir.
If I really,
Me can't see the video. Me can't see no video. Me no see it come out. Me wait a week. Me still not see none. Then me say, okay, it's a PR stunt. The drunk or use.
Cause
I just get to
him
watch the
talk
video.
about it.
But
This
yo,
video where me
if
talk about
you see the picture of them, you that take God off a cross and say, no man acting and do it.
Dragon, yeah,
Yeah,
man,
and-
right now.
He
Right now,
head
to-
the power,
to
the
the
part
thing
the
stay
between
for
one
that.
foot and you see belly a come right down in a acting head there between the leg them, you know.
yeah,
See,
but
I say,
but
where
you,
me-
Go do
where me
something,
that do
man,
under
I
there?
can't believe right now.
you have to understand that
Seriously.
from the first video
Yeah.
forward out, like that, as you rightly said, that is what it was implying. And we know how we Jamaicans think, say, yo, eat dog, yeah.
Yeah.
At that, Shabba say, we must leave him DJ alone, please. We're not trouble your DJ, Shabba Dabba. We just said that is
Why?
what the video had implied. And you know
Happy
who
Shabba.
get a good looking off it to Slick White. Big up to Slick White line.
No,
Who has
he might do work, man. He
been
might do
doing
work.
a lot of great
'Cause-
things on his Instagram platform. And he also got a based on Ioctane's video, he got a very, very good looking from that. So yeah.
Yeah.
Him
I
that
think
get
he's
a
the
good
one
him that
doing
get a good looking
it.
after.
Yeah.
Right now.
Yeah. He's putting in the work. So
To
we
be
have to
honest, because like you can see that man, him like editing skill them because you know which one we like recently? The one with the
Which
brother asleep and the truck. He make one video. They know what Jamaica like the man them love
Yeah,
truck them
I see
away.
it.
And
I
a
see
it.
hombre asleep, a snore,
Yeah.
and a so
Yeah.
so him and a store and he puts like you know like a man a fling some gear in a one truck. I thought that was really funny.
Nah, man,
It
yeah,
looks
get
like-
that pretty
yeah.
that. With egg, girl, move.
It looks like you're gonna watch out all that slick white line.
Yeah,
with
yeah.
them.
So people even don't know pants Slick White line, him over Insta. I remember him sell some things over there. Some t-shirt
Yeah.
and I got something and some hoodie, you know?
Merch and-
White line pan, you know. Even though you're there in England, you can't come a road. Just buy one of the white lines and put it down in your out and just touch pan the road and come off. Yeah. Something there.
You flip out on the veranda, you understand? You know?
Yeah. But
Just make sure your logo is
Where's
showing. And
where's that gwaan pan the ground, by the way?
there was a newscast that came. We're coming back to London with the whole lockdown situation.
Yeah.
A newscast came out. This is on the 9th of January that says government seeks cruel new loophole into eviction ban. So basically, what they were saying is they've done, they review them policies and whatever due to coronavirus, and
Yeah.
there's a section in it where they're trying to, or where they have put loopholes in it to say that if you have not paid your rent in X amount of time, the landlords have all right to kick you out of the property. And during this time, I think that rule is quite harsh.
So the government said them can't put you out.
Yes, it is there. Let me find this.
Almighty
Listen,
God.
yeah.
Go
Apart
ahead,
from that,
please.
Rast, you know what the government want as well? The government want people to take out this universal credit thing.
Yes.
So they have them in
yeah.
their pocket. And listen, man, yeah? And that them want right now. You get me? So
Right, so
who
it
want to
says
take out them universal credit can, you know? No, tell nobody
Yeah.
to do it, you know?
Yeah, but it's just the implications that comes with it. It's the
Yes.
section says a tenant can now be evicted if they have been unable to pay their rent for 6 months, and most crucially, rent occurred since the pandemic began is no longer excluded. It's during the winter and during this pandemic, I think
So them couldn't wait till summer to do that.
that's what I'm
Make
saying.
people
I
can
think
get
the
put out
move
and
and the
go
decision
sleep on
that
park
they
bench.
Exactly. It is a really, really harsh one. I mean, the mere fact that we're all going through the pandemic for
Yeah.
the first time of this magnitude. Secondly, persons have lost their jobs. And I mean, jobs which were basically a hand to mouth situation, which
Yeah.
not being
Yeah,
able to work
if-
makes the situation even much more difficult. And I mean, in the middle of
this
it,
situation,
it's
let
just
me put it,
unfair.
the situation is sticky and a bit unfair. But if you look on the flip side of it, yeah, if I'm a landlord I still have to pay my mortgage. I
Yeah.
still have to pay my whatever. So my bills them not stop. So we still have to pay anyway, regardless of you paying me or not. You get me? So it's a
Okay.
whole chain where if you as my tenant pay me my rent, or me go pay my mortgage. You get me?
I
You might be on
understand.
furlough or me might
Well,
have
well,
work
well,
now out of work, just the same. You get me? And it
Understandable.
depends on my
it
local
should be
rent.
a thing.
So it's
What them call
understandable to
it?
some
Mortgage
extent.
holiday. Them should call it mortgage holiday still because
Yeah, but
an
1
idea.
month, they might get that.
But
Only
an
one
idea, an
holiday.
idea, you can't kick a man when them down, and that the government to do because you expect people to uphold their end of the deal by not going out and accent to
Rich will always be
during the
rich with that.
lockdown. But if you put us under these draconian measurement, we can't uphold it, dog, because
Hold
an idea.
on. Say the word again.
Yo, fuck yourself,
I
I'm
feel
going
like
yeah. Yo, you know, man, no big word. I want to tell you that. Yo, man, know some big word, you know. Easy, easy.
Oh boy. Yeah. But I mean the situation is a very
For you think I fake diamond them I talk about?
but
No,
I know.
I was gonna go and grab my dictionary, sir. That's
Right.
it. That's all.
Oh, yeah, thesaurus. Talk
Man,
truth.
use it, man. Yeah, watch news all the while. I borrow word and I borrow my bar rate. No, I'm a borrow. Opposition. Remember
That's
name?
true.
See, I understand. The opposition leader, I don't know him name from Jamaica. I mean, left out of politics. I don't remember that
Politics, we
one.
don't really know. You know that's
Yeah.
true? That's true from Jeremy.
Pardon?
I'm saying from
Yeah.
Jeremy Corbyn, as is no
People
longer
are,
the
we don't
opposition
want to
leader.
come over and contact no whole for politics, but any idea true. Because you see all the boy Sadiq Khan. All the
Whole heap
man
of
next one.
people
May I
Whole-
appeal to everybody. You see, when a time come to vote that year for me and London, no rep and get him off. Because remember, the congestion a stop up there so, and it a come down so.
Yo,
So
listen.
from north to south, whole
You
of
know,
London.
say,
So
if them do
go
this
up and vote
congestion
him out.
chart thing,
Mm.
literally,
It's in play.
every morning
It's
take
coming in
my
place
son to
September.
school, it go cost 15 quid. I'm mad.
Well, I saw the
Every
people
day.
in
15. If you have a deal older than 2018, might as well sell you. And buy one skating boot or one bicycle or something.
bicycle.
Yeah, buy one skating boot. I don't lie. Rick, you're mute. Hombre, you're mute. One to the man, take your phone off of mute. Yes, there you go. You're old, man. Them say old people are used to technology.
That's why I go. Somebody grandpa for them about it. They say, oh, I have a baby.
Well, you look at the phone, you look at the phone and the laptop never done 9 inches.
Jaja.
I only see okay, so anyways, guys.
Oi.
Anyways. We do have, as we said to you, we have a special guest that is waiting. He's actually online. We're going to drop about two songs, All Star.